So I've been using a new skincare line from LilyAna Naturals, and they are so amazing.
I really love LilyAna Naturals. It has been such a blessing to my skin.
It is my absolute favorite. I highly recommend it.
Trying so hard to get good, clean ingredients, and I found them, guys. LilyAna's. It is organic, it is plant-based, and it is not animal tested.
They are toxic-free, parabens-free, fragrance-free. They're natural products.
And they also utilize organic plant-based ingredients, which is really good.
The thing is, most people think that in order to have natural products, you have to pay so much money, but you can actually just buy these on Amazon.
I feel great about using it. I know it's healthy for my skin. Feels super good going on. Again, like that it doesn't have like an overpowering smell.
It's helped my skin get more of a glow.
They are 100% to their word, and I absolutely love their brand.
The one I've been using lately is this LilyAna Naturals. It's their retinol cream. I can say with full confidence, this is gonna be my new go-to.
And it's just been really great for me, and it leaves my skin like super soft.
This one is nice and it feels good. Just out of the shower to show you my skin. I love it. It looks great. I'm proud of it. And it's all because I'm still using LilyAna Naturals.
There is an eye cream, which I'm really excited to try out.
It's amazing for brightening my face, and I love the nice clean feel after it.
High quality products that are super great for your skin, and I absolutely love them.
For glowy and clear, and yeah, check it out.